From mega road and railway project to rising trade volumes, the relationship between Kenya and China has grown into a strategic in Africa. When Kenya launched Vision 2030, the roadmap to economic transformation, it needed resourceful partners to fund high-risk infrastructure. Enter China, willing, capable and ready to finance projects, marking the beginning of a relationship rooted in infrastructure, trade and diplomacy. Wairimo Jenga has more details.
Kenya established diplomatic ties with China in 1963, but it was in the 2000s that the bilateral ties deepened, driven by two key initiatives: the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation and China's Belt and Road Initiative. As Kenya turned its gaze towards East, under the late former President Mwai Kibaki, it marked a shift away from traditional Western allies, embracing new partnerships defined by infrastructure expansion and concessional loans as Kenya sought to move away from commercial loans, which are deemed too expensive. Today, projects like the Standard Gauge Railway, Nairobi Southern Bypass, Thika Superhighway, and the Nairobi Expressway have transformed transport and trade, connecting Mombasa to inland economic hubs. But these gains have come at a cost. As of March 2023, Kenya had borrowed $6 billion or 780.6 billion shillings from China, which is about 64% of Kenya's bilateral debt stock and 17% of total external public debt, according to data from the National Treasury. China is also one of Kenya's top trading partners, but the trade imbalance is in favor of the Asian country. President William Ruto's visit to China is seen as a chance to renegotiate trade, diversify exports, and push for greater market access for Kenyan products. This comes amid a shift in global dynamics. The trade between China and the United States is reshaping supply chains and geopolitics. Wairimo Jenga for Prime Edition.